This is my construction update on Memorial Day. It's the new ride, the Nebulaz. I hope I'm saying it right. This is the construction. They broke ground, so the ride might be open by maybe by midsummer, by July 4th, or maybe after July 4th. But they have to do foundation work. So next update, I will update y'all when something new comes. So this is my construction update on the new ride coming to Canobie Lake Park. So can't wait for this new attraction to come. I'll see you guys in the next update.